Here's some tickets. Then we'll give away some prizes and cash. Sparkle of Car Show coming up December the 9th. We have flyers on that. Brea Holiday Car Show December 2nd. We have flyers on that. We have a antique tool swap meet. The whole year's dates are right up here. We have a little flyer on that. The American Legion Chapter 716 is having a fundraiser breakfast. With the proceeds going to Toys for Tots. Vajitos Car Club. We have little flyers up here on their 2018 dance coming up on December the 1st if you'd like to go. The Benedict Castle Concourse Car Show, March 31st. We have flyers on that. Angelo's Car Show every Thursday from 4 till 8 at Brookhurst and Ball in Anaheim. Nice little show. Go check it out. Patty and Terry are here tonight. They run the event. Rosewood Restaurant having Bill and Anna's show there December the 1st, the first Saturday of every month. He's supposed to have a show there this Saturday. You might check if it's raining, it may be canceled. But it's the first Saturday of every month. This is his Christmas show, giving away 2 or 3 TVs, so it should be a fun event. Also, we do a little swap meet out at the Buena Park Elks Lodge once a month. Our next event is December 16th. If you got a garage full of stuff you want to get rid of, bring it on down. Bill will probably buy it. So if you're out and about, it's $20 to sell, $1 to get in. And we get a lot of people clean their garage out. So please, December 16th is our next event. Also, same location, the Buena Park Elks. We do our Friday night car show. We get normally around 100 cars there. Have a nice drawing. The Elks do dinner inside, hamburgers and hot dogs outside, and a big dessert table in the back. But it's a lot of fun. So if you're out and about on a Friday evening, drop in and see us. We always give away a 55-inch TV there also, and a big raffle table. So please stop in and see us if you're out and about. Plus, we have a flyer here on the Carl's Jr. show. Every Tuesday, rain or shine. We won't be here if it's raining. And if it's windy, we won't be here either. Yeah. But we would like to get 100 cars before the end of winter.
Check out the raffle table. Got a turtle. I was thinking these turtles are going to be obsolete pretty soon. But Gary found another turtle. Now the top prize is up here. Polar Express, a train. Little birdie told me like $60 for one of those things. And then we got this Coca-Cola deal. How cool is that? That's a nice prize to win. We got outdoor lighting, got flashlights, you got a cruising art, you got a drill. Good prize, you got bowls, got another cruising art mixer. Check out this. One of the big prizes, a 55 double nickel. Double nickel LED TV. Insignia. I'm told it doesn't work on Tuesdays and Friday nights. I'll probably make announcements as to that to confirm what I just said. So Gary is shuffling up the raffle tickets. A lot of tickets in there. See a lot of people participate in the raffle. So we're about getting ready to roll here. And the raffle prizes.
Also, just a reminder, Carl's Jr. gives us 10% off if you buy something in there at regular price. They won't do it on coupons. But also Walmart and Costco. They were over here tonight before we were setting up and are very pleased with the way we leave their parking lot. Very happy to have us here. So if you can, patronize those businesses. Tell them you're with the car show and tell them thank you for their hospitality, because without their permission we can't do this here. So thanks to them. Our 50-50 tonight, $985. We're going to round it off to $1,000. We'll give away one drawing for $500. Our driver's drawing, $456. We have one drawing for $228.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Our top three prizes tonight, the 55-inch TV, the North Pole Express train set, and the Coca-Cola gift pack. Everything else is fair game from ticket one.
I know all three will probably watch this from. There might be snow on the ground or raining, but it's balmy, maybe 62, 64 degrees. But of course, for us Californians, that means it's a cold 62, 64 degrees in wintertime.
Our first winner, white
shorts,
tickets.
We got jackets.
509-388. 509-388.
How about that? First winner tonight.
Wait a minute.
I don't know. I might be.
This is Steve. He runs the Chariots car show up at Rosewoods Restaurant on Wednesdays. They close for the winter. They will be back in business in May. Go up and check him out. I'm sure this prize will be on his raffle table
Probably.
when they open the show up in May.
Thank you.
Our next winner, white ticket, 908-647. 908-647.
Yeah. Wine glasses. Why not?
Nine 647.
Wow, wins a trophy, wins a raffle. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Uh-oh.
John has a picture. We have okay. Nice try, John.
Do the walk of shame back to the cheap seats.
Let's see what I want.
Pull his ticket. Pull his ticket.
I don't want this.
Let's go, rookie.
One fell out.
Our next winner, white tickets, 509-806. 509-806.
check that ticket, Gary. Hold us a ticket.
Good ticket.
Our next winner, white tickets, 908 420. 908 420.
Yep. Car show trophy. Raffle winner.
Our next winner, white tickets, 509 954. 509 954.
How about
We'll
that?
double check this.
Very lucky lady. I think every show she's winning something. Wow.
Pay particular attention to what Patty chooses. She does her and Terry do the Thursday show at Angelo's. Probably be a grand prize up there. We'll wait till you pick.
She knew exactly. Look at that. Yay. Sawzall.
Our next winner, ticket number 509820. 509820.
Wow. Double winner? Woo! At least he didn't pull his own.
Our next winner,
Good way to
white
go.
ticket 510410.
Good way to get your Christmas shopping done.
510410.
Oh, is this Vince? Vince is a winner. Hey, hey, hey.
Close enough, Gary?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Wow.
If you draw your own, you're damn in trouble.
Our next winner, white tickets
How about that? Oh, he's got the turtle.
509
Got the turtle.
597.
Vince has got a turtle.
509 597. The turtle is history.
That's
I
Vince.
believe I have 2 turtles left.
And a partridge and a pear tree.
Pick another ticket. Oh.
Our next winner, ticket number 908 852. 908 852.
Trying to see what this is. Ralph, you want the tools or the card? Tools or card?
All right.
Yeah, and I wanted the tools. The dilly dilly?
Our next winner, white ticket, 509960. 509.
Double winner.
Our next winner, white tickets, 510583. 510583. We'll double check this one. Six two six 908 626. For the North Pole Express. Excuse me, the Polar Express. Ticket number 908 916 908 916.
Hmm.
908 916 going once. 908 916 going twice.
I wonder if
908 916.
Right here. Son of a gun. And you know, it had me cool. But, oh, you bet. I'll pick yours.
Larry couldn't hear the number because all those bumblebees were over there buzzing. The Monterey Club, the bumblebees are with us tonight. For the 55-inch TV, 908 488. 908 488.
look over here. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Take that on the TV screen.
By the way, the TV does not work on Tuesdays and Fridays.
Here, huh?
Okay, for the driver's drawing,
There you have it. That concludes our
$228.
raffle
Yellow
on Dano
ticket,
Vision.
the yellow ticket.
We're out.